You've got a digital sidekick that does your homework, handles your errands, and maybe even orders you a pizza. Sounds like fire, right? Well, that's basically what AI agents are, minus the pizza part, for now. What's an AI agent? AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's basically a super smart robot brain that knows a ton of stuff but doesn't actually do anything on its own. That's where AI agents come in. They're like the reliable bestie who actually follows through, while AI just chills and flexes its knowledge. AI is that one friend who can explain quantum physics but forgets to text back. AI agents? They make things happen. They answer your questions, sort your schedule, and even remind you when it's time to touch grass. How AI agents work. AI agents are like digital superheroes, but instead of capes, they run on code. They work in 3 easy steps. Listen. They hear what you need, or read it if you type. Think. They analyze your request like a 200 IQ detective. Do stuff. They deliver, whether it's an answer, a reminder, or a solid excuse for why you forgot to do your chores. Picture this. Your parents go out and they leave a babysitter in charge. They don't just peace out without instructions. They leave notes on bedtime, snack rules, and what to do if the Wi-Fi dies. That's exactly how AI agents work. They're trained with a bunch of rules, so they know what to do. Some AI agents are like an experienced babysitter who's seen it all. Others need some training, like a newbie who doesn't know you're totally allowed to eat ice cream for breakfast. No snitching. What does an AI agent look like? They don't have holograms or robot arms yet. AI agents usually have 2 main parts. The interface, how you talk to them, like a chatbot, a voice assistant, or even a simple button. The workflow, the behind-the-scenes magic that makes them actually work. Think of it like a flowchart, but instead of math class, it's getting things done for you. Here's the play-by-play. You ask, "Yo AI, remind me to finish my project." AI thinks, should I remind them now or later? AI acts, reminder set, also maybe don't procrastinate this time. AI learns. The more you use it, the better it gets at helping you, or roasting you, depending on the mood. AI agents are about to shake things up. Imagine school with an AI assistant. No more waiting for the teacher to answer emails, no more outdated search results, and maybe, just maybe, an AI that convinces your parents to extend your screen time. Businesses love AI agents because they take over boring, repetitive tasks, so humans can focus on creative and fun stuff. It's like having a digital assistant that never needs a coffee break, unlike your dog, who naps 90% of the day. AI agents are like having a 24/7 digital assistant that listens, thinks, and actually gets stuff done. They're going to be everywhere soon, making life easier, smoother, and maybe even a little more fun. If this made AI agents actually make sense, send this to a friend who still thinks AI is just sci-fi. Thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next episode.